Turning 40 isn't about getting older. It's about leveling up. So how do you throw a 40th birthday party that's bold, stylish, and totally unforgettable? Whether you're celebrating yourself or someone you love, today's video is your ultimate guide to 40th birthday decor ideas that strike the perfect balance between classy and fun. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal one expert decor tip that makes any birthday celebration look professionally styled, even on a tight budget.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the best theme for a 40th birthday party? At 40, themes can be elegant or edgy. Popular ones include 40 and Fabulous, Vintage 1984, Cheers to 40 Years, or Level 40 Unlocked for a fun gaming vibe. For a more elevated feel, try Black and Gold Glam, Boho Luxe, or a sleek, all-white party. Love picking birthday themes? Like this video and share it with someone planning a big celebration. How should the entrance be styled for a 40th bash? Set the mood from the moment guests walk in. Use a balloon arch or drapery with fairy lights. Include a large welcome sign with the birthday name and date, and don't forget a photo timeline from childhood to now. It's both fun and emotional. Want to style the perfect entrance? Check the description for my favorite entryway decor links. What makes an ideal photo wall for a 40th party? This is the backdrop where memories are made. Use a shimmer wall or velvet curtain. Add a neon sign like 40 and fabulous, or life begins at 40. Layer with balloons, flowers, and candles to give dimension and style. Have a backdrop idea in mind? Share it in the comments. I'd love to see your theme. How should the dessert table be decorated? The dessert table should double as decor. Use a sleek linen tablecloth, crystal platters, and a tiered cake as the centerpiece. Accent with floral arrangements, LED lights, and signage like Sweet at 40. Add bite-sized desserts for an elevated finish. Ready to create yours? Check the description for dessert table styling inspiration and products. What's a modern table centerpiece for a 40th celebration? Use florals in gold or black vases, candles in glass hurricanes, or mirrored risers with confetti. Add name tags or custom table numbers reflecting significant moments in the guest of honor's life, like year I traveled the world. Want more table decor tips? Subscribe now for weekly celebration styling guides. What balloon decor styles suit a 40th birthday? Think texture and tone. Use chrome or pearl balloons in neutral tones with accents of black, gold, or blush. Create vertical columns or cascading garlands. Use oversized 4 and 0 foil balloons for that classic party touch. What balloon combo are you using? Drop your theme in the comments. I want to see it. '40 is fabulous, and your party should reflect that. With these 10 decor ideas, you can throw a birthday bash that's full of style, story, and celebration. Whether you go full glam or keep it classy and simple, it's all about making the space feel personal and unforgettable. Which decor idea are you excited to use? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to every product I mentioned and a complete decor guide to make your 40th party picture perfect.